Recognizable and customizable avatars add exclusivity value to the user's experience in your 3D product. MetaPerson Creator is a cutting-edge tool that enables developers and creators to generate highly realistic and customizable avatars for gaming, social media, and virtual reality applications. It's easy to use and doesn't require any special skills or knowledge. To see it in action, try the MetaPerson Creator yourself and watch the video tutorials on our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to demonstrate a great change in MetaPerson Creator integration. MetaPerson Creator easily integrates into applications with the iframe container and can be managed with JavaScript API. For example, with the JavaScript API, you can manage export parameters, such as the format and quality of exported files, or handle the avatar link when the generation process is finished. You always can check the latest documentation for this API on our documentation page. Now let's introduce a new Show Avatar request in our JS API. This long-awaited feature allows you to open an already created avatar in its latest state and continue its editing. It helps you to add functionality for avatar editing to your applications that use MetaPerson Creator. All you need is the avatar code of the avatar you wish to edit. This code is generated when you first create your avatar and can be used to access it later for customization. It can be obtained from the field of the model exported event. First, we are going to look at the website integration of the MetaPerson Creator and check this feature. But keep in mind that the whole concept is similar to any platform that will use business integration. Let's open the demo page and look at it. To check this feature, you should enter valid client credentials. Please check our other tutorials to get them. Also, you can type Avatar ID to the corresponding field on the page. The loading process for this avatar will start immediately. Then we will look at the same integration for multiplayer Unity scene based on the Photon plugin. You can check the code sample and instructions for this launch in our GitHub account. The launcher scene demonstrates how to integrate the MetaPerson Creator web page into your application for creating new avatars or customizing already created ones. You can scroll through the sample avatars, find a slot with the custom avatar, and click on the Create My Avatar button. Feel free to customize it according to your needs. Discover MetaPerson Creator Show Avatar feature, perfect for your multiverse journey. Picture this. You've created your avatar, but it's too fancy for a casual hangout. Meet Emily, facing this issue. Dressed in her best clothes, Emily enters the chat, only to find out the party is actually a casual game night theme. So much for a fashion misstep. With a few easy clicks, her fancy avatar becomes casual. Her evening gown disappears, and she's now in comfy clothes, with a carefree hairstyle. Back in the chat, Emily's new look hits the mark, and she's ready to dive into the game night fun. Thanks to Show Avatar, it is easy to edit a user's avatar and integrate the avatars into any application in a really convenient way. Integrating MetaPerson Creator is easy and straightforward, and our team is always available to provide support and guidance throughout the process. So why not take advantage of this innovative technology and give your business a competitive edge? Try MetaPerson Creator today and see the difference it can make for your brand. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe to our channel to receive notifications about the new features and tutorials. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask at support@avatarspec.com.